Yeah. I want a new life, I want a new heart, I want a new light, I want a new start, I wanna be free. I want a new life, I want a new heart, I want a new light, I want a new start, I wanna be free. Yo, people think they know me, homie, but they really don't. They don't know the full story that I really hold. Never really seen the darkness in me exposed. The hidden secrets in my heart I've been keeping close. The anger I conceal and let it boil and cry. My deepest inner thoughts of never letting go of pride. But that's just the surface, cause there's more I hide. There's much more shame to share, how I'm torn inside. How I struggle as a saint on a daily basis. To the point sometimes I feel I barely make it. I can barely shake it, shake off the stronghold. I feel like David, why do I keep choosing wrong for? Sometimes I feel it was my father who passed on his curse of lust and anger plus hypocrisy, oh God it hurts. But I've come so far, how is it? I can't escape it. I'm so tired of this life, so it's time I face it. I want a new heart, I want a new light, I want a new start, I wanna be free. I want a new life, I want a new heart, I want a new light, I want a new start, I wanna be free. Yo, so now I'm standing firm, and I'm so determined. This time I definitely overcome, I'm surely certain. I'm on the verge, almost dead, but I know I'm swerving. Lord, how long will I continue to hold on this burden? Why? I feel I live the life of Mr. Brooks. I'm infected with a sickness can't be seen in looks. It's worse than AIDS, worse than cancer, so it leaves me shook. How can I now present the cure offered in this book? My wife has sit me down and question me emphatically, but she can never